Do you feel you are not in control of your finances? Do you want to know how to stop yourself from getting screwed financially? Well, the answer is the book, How Not to Screw Yourself Financially. Hello, everyone. My name is Haritosh Srivastav, and today I'm going to do a special book review of the book written by my very special friend Abu with the title How Not to Screw Yourself Financially. Watch the video till the end to find an exciting offer to win some cool prizes. Abu, like myself, is a small town guy hailing from the small town Darjeeling, famous for three T's: tea timber tourism and one E, education. The book, How Not to Screw Yourself Financially, has got 17 chapters and it's about 60 pages in Kindle. It could be easily finished in 1 to 2 settings for maximum 2 hours. I finished it last night. The book is a result of extensive research done by Abu with plenty of personal stories, including some thought provoking, shocking facts. For example, do you know it takes about 64.7 lakh rupees per kid, which is roughly about $100,000 to raise a kid in India? Exactly. The book is collection of some shocking facts which we all need. The book also has some interesting terms. For example, problem plus opportunity is opportunity. The concepts of emergency fund, financial freedom, etc. etc. Now, if you have watched this video and liked so far, please comment. I will not screw myself financially. I have my two personal favorite chapters out of the book. Number one, buying dream car or bike. Now that talks about how we tend to overspend, especially using credit card. I know. I remember my story of overspending on credit card and paying those interest, and then asking my parent to pay some money. That was embarrassing, and that's what the book and the chapter is all about. How we should avoid getting ourselves embarrassed. Number two, which I think I love, and that there is also a mention in my book, which is weddings. I know we all have those exorbitant public figure weddings, but no, I love this line that he says that even if you spend a crore on your wedding, guest will still find a way to complain. It reminds me, I my wedding was roughly about 35 lakhs back 9 years back, and even then, when people were actually ferried using cars and then dropped, then also they had some or other complaint. So whatever you do, people will find complaint. The best thing is to be wise and do not overspend. So these were my two personal chapters. Great job, Abu. One thing you will not find in this book is over the top, flamboyant, flurry articulation language. Abu has kept it simple enough for general masses like me without using a dictionary. The book also has some great advices. For example, if you are good at something, never do it for free. All in all, this book is not only about money or finances, it's also about relationships, self discipline, priority management, etc. etc. Now, if you have watched the video so far and like it, please comment. I will not screw myself financially. And if you're listening this on the podcast, you can send me a voice note or email me. I have two recommendations for Abu. Number one, which is sort of selfish, but please make the book paperback version available internationally. I had to read in Kindle, but I love paperback version. So it's time for you to expand internationally. And number two, and more important, I think, is Abu has touched a number of topics which are of grave importance. But I think the next book of Abu should go deeper on some of the things. For example, how to take relationship with the finance perspective. How do you teach finances to your kids? Things like those will be really, really helpful for people like us. So this how not to screw yourself financially is a must read. And if I have to give you one why for you to read this book, this is if you want to fix yourself financially, please read the book. Now I'm really grateful Abu included me as part of the acknowledgement, and this is my gift to my audience and to Abu as well. Thank you so much. Like I said in the start of the video, I have a special announcement and gift for you. I'm going to put a link in the video description and comment section. I'm doing a free giveaway for 3 people who write a review of my book, but I'm actually expanding that to even Abu's book. So if you have read Abu's book or my book, put the fill the form in the comment section. The link in the comment section is there, and there will be 3 lucky winners who will get some cool prize. So thank you all. Remember, I will not screw myself financially because I've read the book, How Not to Screw Yourself Financially. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Please buy the book of Abu. And if you want to see what a small town guy can do, please get my book, Small Town, Bigger Dreams. Until next time, as I say all the times, keep learning, keep growing, and keep going out of your comfort zone. This is Haritosh, and I'll be back with another book review or inspirational video or inspirational interview. Thank you so much. I finished it last night. The concepts of emergency fund, paying those interest, and then ask
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो
figure weddings, but no, roughly about 35 lakhs back, like 9 years back. Roughly about 35 lakhs back, like 9 years back.